If you're thinking about using Entrata for your property management needs, there are a few key things you need to know before making a decision. With so many property management software options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Entrata offers a lot of features, but is it the best fit for you? Let's dive into the 12 things you need to know before buying. First off, Entrata offers a comprehensive property management platform that covers everything from leasing to accounting. Unlike some competitors, Entrata integrates all your property management functions into one seamless system, which can save you time and hassle. But, depending on your business's needs, this all-in-one feature can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. The learning curve can be steep for those who prefer simpler tools, so consider if you're ready to invest the time in learning the system. Next thing, Entrata is known for its robust online payment options. Renters can pay through their portal, and you can set up automated payments and reminders. This feature is great for reducing late payments and increasing convenience, but keep in mind that there are transaction fees involved that can add up, especially for larger properties. Some competitors, like Appfolio, offer lower fees or no fees at all for online payments, which may be more appealing for cost-conscious users. The third thing to know is that Entrata's user interface is designed to be user-friendly, but it can feel crowded. Unlike more minimalist platforms, like Buildium, Entrata includes many features that might overwhelm new users. However, if you're managing multiple properties and need a full suite of tools, the extra features might be worth the clutter. It's a platform that's built to scale, but the complexity may not suit every user. The fourth thing is that Entrata offers advanced reporting features. You can pull detailed financial reports, track operational metrics, and even manage budgets in real time. However, for users new to property management software, this can be overwhelming. Some competitors, such as Rentec Direct, offer more straightforward reporting options, which could be a better fit if you're looking for simplicity over depth. Another thing to consider is Entrata's customer support. The support team is generally responsive, but some users report inconsistent service times, especially during peak hours. While its competitors like Appfolio boast 24/7 support, Entrata doesn't always guarantee this, which could be a deal breaker for businesses that need round-the-clock assistance. Next, Entrata is great for large-scale property management. If you're managing multiple properties or a large portfolio, Entrata has the scalability you need. On the flip side, smaller operations might find the software overkill. If you only manage a handful of units, you might be better off with something simpler, like Tenant Cloud or Cozy. The seventh thing you should know is Entrata's integration options. The software offers many integrations with third-party services, from accounting software to CRM tools, giving you a lot of flexibility. However, integrations can be tricky to set up and might require additional support, which could add to your costs. Now let's talk about customization. Entrata offers plenty of customization options for your leasing process, including document creation and marketing materials. But this customization is not always as easy as it sounds. While other platforms like Yardi make customization more intuitive, Entrata requires more hands-on setup, so plan on dedicating some time to tailor the platform to your needs. Another point to consider is its mobile functionality. Entrata's mobile app is available for both Android and iOS, but users report it can be slow at times, especially with larger properties. If you need a fully responsive mobile experience, you might find apps from competitors like Appfolio or Buildium more reliable. Next thing to note is the pricing structure. Entrata offers customizable pricing plans, but it's not the most transparent when it comes to pricing. Unlike other platforms that display clear pricing on their website, Entrata requires you to get in touch with a sales rep to get a quote. This can be frustrating if you're trying to budget upfront costs. The 11th thing is that Entrata's marketing tools are strong. The software allows you to manage online listings, conduct virtual tours, and even track leads. However, competitors like Buildium and Appfolio also offer marketing features, and some users find Entrata's to be a bit cumbersome or lacking in certain areas. And lastly, Entrata's security is top-notch. With encryption and secure data storage, Entrata ensures your information is